How is it going, YouTube? Luis Urbieta here. YouTube, here's the worst garbage truck ever. Woohoo! Yeah, not one of the best sounding backup sounds. Yeah! Woohoo! Alright, folks. Here is Escondido Disposal about to depart. Come on. What do you think about this backup noise? I'm not loving it. Escondido Disposal! Woohoo! Yeah! This is one of my buddies here. Come on. Come on. Did it get stuck? Woohoo! Hello! I'm doing good. Dandy.
How was your weekend?
It was a dandy.
Doing the fun?
Well, that's what I did.
Good.
Huh?
What did you do?
I just stayed home.
I did the same thing.
Wow. When you're on the other side, make sure you back out with the throttle. Please. Please. Full force on the throttle.
Yep. Good for you.
Yes. And you know what else? I'm glad you came. This is the time when you should come all the time.
Yeah, try to.
Don't forget.
Okay. All right.
You know what else?
What else?
I'm happy that you're the standiest friend of all time.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'll see you later.
You too. Woohoo! Escondido Disposal! Woohoo! Guys, this is for you. Every time I hear the garbage truck, guys, I get excited because, of the motor and, I was in the bathroom gonna brush my teeth, but I hear the garbage truck and I'm like, here comes my buddy. That's just a car. But look at that cloudy sky, guys. Come on. Come on. Go full throttle. Come on. Go full throttle. Yeah. Woo! What do you guys think about the backup sound? I truly think it's outdated by today's standards, and two, it doesn't sound as great. Come on. Yeah! Woohoo! I think they replaced the backup sound, or am I deceiving? Oh, never mind. My thought. Here comes my buddy Juanito. Woohoo! There it goes, folks. To the next stop. After these couple stops, after these next stops, it's gonna go to the dump. There goes Juanito. Woohoo!